Well, with that, there is more breaking news which is coming in. Citing these two flip-flops, the lawyer now of the 11 convicts has spoken to Times Now. He has quoted these two flip-flops, saying that the court's verdict is of paramount importance and they only went as per what the CBI court had said. Listen in.
Well, this impacts a lot because let me tell you, all along the case of Bilkis Bano before the Supreme Court is that the opinion of the presiding judge of Bombay Court as well as the investigating agency, that is the CBI, is of paramount importance. So therefore, since they had given a negative opinion at that point of time, so the case of petitioner is and was before the court was that that should have been the major decision for the stakeholders, and therefore the remission ought not to have granted. The jail authorities and as well as the advisory board or the remission board, whatever the case may be, are the most relevant authorities to decide a case for remission. That's the judgment of Supreme Court which we are going to hand over in the next date of hearing. So according to us, once the CBI judge now has not given any negative opinion, I don't think the petitioner has any legs to stand, because now it would be a case that where all these stakeholders have now given unanimous opinion about the premature release of these convicts.
That, of course, was the man who's defending the 11 convicts, saying that's what the CBI said, that's what the court said, so why are you now challenging the premature release? Let me go across to our legal editor. We have Harish Nair joining us. Also, our senior editor, Bhavtosh Singh, is there with us. Lawyer, activist, Abha Singh here on the show. Naveen Chomal, another lawyer, here on the show as well. First, I'm going to come to you because, Harish, you must explain to us where this flip-flop happened. And do we have any understanding or rationale as to why both the CBI as well as the CBI Special Court would have gone from saying it's a heinous crime to saying do as you deem fit?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. This is a very, very important development, important twist which has happened in this case, which can even change the course of the entire case. Remember, as the convicts lawyer Rishi Malhotra said, all along the Supreme Court had said that the CBI and the CBI court's views are very important. But what is important is that now it turns out that CBI and CBI court, in fact, had earlier in the March 2021 view, they had said that the premature release cannot be allowed because this crime is heinous and gruesome, and therefore no relief can be given. But it turns out that they had changed the stand. There is a subsequent opinion, and surprisingly, in the October 2022 affidavit, the Gujarat government had not even attached these documents which otherwise would have gone in this on their favor. That is in fact very surprising, but it is now during the fag end of the hearing in which Bilkis Bano had challenged the premature release of the 11 convicts who had not only been accused of gang raping her but also brutally murdering 7 of her relatives, including her 3-year-old daughter. So it is surprising that it is now at this juncture that CBI, in fact the Gujarat government and the convicts lawyer, is placing these very crucial important documents before the court, and the stand of the victim's lawyer and the court is awaited on the next date of hearing, that is August 31st.
Right.
And as you rightly pointed out, in the earlier view, CBI and CBI court had said they cannot be released, but now they say that let the matter be left to the court and left to the government, and let the Gujarat government.
But why did that happen? That is going to be the crux of this issue. And Bhavtosh, I'd like